Hello. Let's see if we can demonstrate the switchgear on this Smith Corona first generation electric typewriter. The one I've got out here is a 5TE, but they also made a wide carriage version called the 5LE. So I've got it plugged in, and this is the roller that starts the typewriter. Okay. Now there's an interlock in the lid of these first generation machines that turns it off when you open the lid. So let's do that. Alright. Now I'll show you that interlock. It's right here. Alright. That interlock, if we can see it, operates this lever right here. Let's see if we can see it going. Okay. This lever in turn pushes a tiny white button. My spotlight is on that white button. When that white button goes up, the switch turns on. Let's see if we can see that happening. That's me operating the interlock with the lid open so you can see what's going on. So this piece here is the switch. And it's possible that the switch needs some contact cleaner put into it, or it's possible that that lever mechanism needs to be adjusted so it's operating the switch in a positive way. Let's hope it's one of these things that gets this typewriter working properly again.